Today we're going to be putting headlight bulbs in on the 2009 Volvo XC90. So this is going to be pretty straightforward. You're going to see two metal tabs on the top. You're going to pull those straight up. You're going to grab the headlight assembly and pull it straight forward. And on the back of the headlight, you're going to come to this bigger cap. Usually there's a screw holding it in, but mine doesn't have it. So we're going to go ahead and rotate it to counterclockwise. Lift straight up. Remove the electrical connector. Grab the bulb and twist it counterclockwise. And lift straight up. Now we're going to grab the new headlight. And we're going to make sure these tabs on here line up with the tabs inside the socket. Just go ahead and line those up and get the bulb seated. Twist it clockwise until you feel it lock. Plug the electrical connector back in. Put the cap back on. There's going to be 3 tabs you got to line up with the car to get the headlight assembly back in the car. 2 of them are right here. One of them's down here at the corner. This one's broke, but I'll show you on the driver's side. Now these 2 tabs and this tab at the corner, so this one needs to line up with this hole on the car. The 2 tabs right here need to line up with these 2 holes of the car. And when putting the headlights into the car, you'll see these pieces coming off of the headlight assembly. There's another piece that looks the same way down below. Here's a better view of what I'm talking about. And you want to make sure these 2 go past this wall. You want to make sure these 2, you can see through this hole. They go past, just like that. And you can see those through the hole. And the procedure is the same way as on the driver's side as with the passenger side to replace the bulbs. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.